In this video, we'll learn to recognize and use positive and negative numbers. So I've got a thermometer here, which shows positive and negative temperatures. Positive and negative numbers are the same. Actually, temperatures are described using positive and negative numbers. So we've got a 0 at this point, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees, we could go 50 and so on. Underneath that, there comes the negative part. So imagine 0 degrees in the winter when it's really cold. If it gets even colder, it goes to -1, -2, then -3, -4, -5, then 6, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -20, -30, and so on. So the negative numbers are the ones with a minus in front, and they are much smaller, as I said. So in the winter it's much colder when we've got negative temperatures. Sometimes you will see these in number lines, so the number line looks very similar to thermometer. You've got the 0, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So that's positive. It means +1, +2, +3 as well. Positive numbers, so they're the same. Then we have -1 under 0, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and so on. But you might see a number line that is horizontal as well, and it means exactly the same thing. So 0, there we go in the positive direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and it continues. So these are the positive temperatures and these are the negative temperatures. These are the positive numbers, these are the negative numbers. So recognizing them is easy. If they have got a plus sign in front, to say +6, it is the same as 6. Even if they don't have it in front, the number doesn't have the plus sign in front, it means the same thing. But if you see a -6, that means a negative number. A minus always has the sign in front. A negative number always has that minus sign in front, or the negative sign in front. So you can read this as -6 or -6 as well. It means the same thing. Now we can recognize them. How do you use them? So you might have questions typically relating to temperature or being overdraft. So if the temperature is 0 and then so it's 0 degrees and then it drops by 4 degrees, what's going to happen? So we go 1 step, 2, 3, 4 to go to -4. So 0 - 4 equals -4. And then if we are on -4, so we go -4, if it goes then up the temperature, let's say by 5 degrees, so we add in 5, what's going to be happening? So we go 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps upwards. So from 0 we go to 1. So -4 plus the 5 equals 1. Now we are on 1 degree Celsius. What is going to happen then if the temperature drops by 11 degrees? So 1 minus 11, what's going to happen? So we move 1 step to go to 0 and another 10 steps, and this goes to -10. So we've got a minus 10 degrees temperature in there. This works also for being overdraft. So let's say you have a balance of £0 in your bank account and you withdraw £4, then you are overdraft by £4. So you owe £4 to the bank. And if you are then at that point when you are overdraft by £4, you top it up by £5, so you add to your account £5. What you're left with is £1 because obviously that 4 was used, the first 4 were used to compensate for this. And then we have, with that £1 that you have in your bank account, if you withdraw another 11, what you end up with is being overdraft by £10. So the way to do this is really to start, where are you at? So that first number always tells you where you're at. So you can refer to temperature or money, whatever you prefer, but these are the two easiest ones. Even other ways you could use, but these are the two easiest ones that we use in everyday life. So we start with, where are we at the moment? Okay, 0 in your bank account, or 0 degrees Celsius in the winter, whichever you prefer. And then drop by 4, take away 4, withdraw 4, and that gives you the answer in the end. And I would always prefer to refer to a number line because then you can't get it wrong. So we start from 0. It means dropping 4 degrees or going down by 4 or withdrawing 4. So I'm going to make 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Where I'm at minus 4. Then I've got minus 4. I'm going to add 5. So right, I am here. I'm going to go up by 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is 1. So, and this tells me whether I go up or down. So minus means you go down, dropping, withdrawing. Add means going up. So I am now at 1, and I'm going to drop this by 11, take away 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now I didn't continue adding the numbers in here, what I could do now. So minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and minus 10. So this shows how to recognize and use positive and negative numbers.